This situation is totally like when you refuse to talk to somebody anymore and they are so obsessed with you. They start coming to your house. They start fucking trying to break in. I am literally being tormented psychologically, physically, and emotionally abused in all ways, tortured in my home. Literally, random ass person, don't know what's happening, literally just being subjected to this and trying to go about my life. I'm literally focusing on myself right now and trying to do laundry. I kid you not. I'm trying to do my laundry and I'm trying to add softener to my laundry right now, and someone will not, whoever's technology is being placed, whoever, let's say this, we all know this is literally like a computer doing this, but obviously computers don't operate themselves. They didn't start operating themselves. So whoever is in the moment observing and monitoring me, or the last person that knows that I'm here being subjected to this, I will blame it on them. That's logical. So that person has literally locked me out of putting fabric softener in my clothes. This lid will not open. They're literally using their computers to hack into this. I don't know if you've ever seen that Smarter Every Day YouTube channel where they show how they can literally change your passwords on your computer with a laser beam shot into your house. They could do the same thing with your washing machine. They could keep this lock